杰克兄弟预制菜第一品牌。哎，大家好，今天是5月21号，2022年，是我们杰克兄弟预制菜品鉴会第5场芝加哥站，同时呢，也是100年芝加哥餐饮联合会博览会的开幕式。有一个新的成员是带了一个机器人，提高效率是我们的目标。Hi guys, welcome to the Jack&King Ready Meal Testing, the 5 stop in the Chicago. Warsaw is the National Restaurant Association show in Chicago. We take a Jack&King Ready Meal, and also we take the robot. It's very good robot and very confident and good efficient. People like it a lot. 哎，这就是我们的这一次品鉴会的机器人。所以这次我们就不需要用模特来传菜，由机器人给我们上菜。所以杰克兄弟永远是做最方便、最简单，然后最省人工的事情。希望大家为杰克兄弟加油。
Hello, welcome to Jack&King's Ready Meals. We are leading national company of ready-to-go meals in North America. We're here today in Chicago with National Association Restaurant Show. We're representing our company that specializes at ready-to-go meals. Our idea is to minimize time and resources while cooking meals. And we're here today to represent our company proudly to the whole world to see.
This is our robot from Jack&King. It delivers food.
De comercial de China.
Pero
de
estos
supe.
productos, esta comida china se vende en México.
Sí, en
Ustedes la
México.
venden también en México.
That's really good.
If you set up table number 1, you just touch number 1. So they will from the kitchen go out to the number 1 to deliver for you for food. Then come normally 1 minute, or you set up the 30 seconds to waiting. 1 minute, 2 minutes, they will come back to the kitchen. Then for next delivery. So they will like this way.